Hello everyone, I am Dipali Narakhede, a psychologist and a counselor. Today I am going to speak about effect of menopause once the cycle stops. Menopause happens with every woman in life. But we fail to understand what does exactly menopause mean. Menopause is an end of woman's menstrual cycle. It is a natural aging process. It is a normal transition. But experience of each and every woman in this transition is different. There are few stages of menopause like premenopause, perimenopause and postmenopause. Menopause is characterized by massive drop down of estrogen hormone and that creates biochemical fluctuation in our body. As you all know, hormones are the messenger of our body. So the constant fluctuation of hormones leads to physical and emotional problem, and that reflects menopause symptom. Symptoms of menopause include sleep disturbance, weight gain, lack of motivation, hair loss, fatigue, weakening of bones, hot flashes, anxiety, aggressiveness, overwhelmed feeling, and many more. So you really need to take good care of your mental health by monitoring your thought process, your changing mood patterns. Try to keep yourself busy, divert yourself, make few lifestyle related changes like have a proper balanced diet, keep yourself well hydrated, take supplementary intake like calcium, vitamin D, cut down on carbs, take adequate sleep, practice yoga and meditation. It helps a lot. Be aware that this phase is temporary. Take good care of yourself. Many a times, family and friends may not always understand exactly what you are going through. So you can always connect to your counselor. Your counselor may help you to guide through this process. Your counselor may guide you the coping strategies to deal with this new change to improve your happiness quotient. Last but not the least, I would like to request family members and the partner. Please don't ignore her menopause symptom. Talk about it. Respect her. Understand her mood pattern. There will be physical and emotional changes and that can be hard to handle for her. So she need your extra love, extra care and extra support. Do not expect too much from her. Accept her the way she is. Support her health. Be patient. Be open and be innovative to find new ways of showing affection. Thank you so much.